Hi, in this video we will study intersection of three planes. The three planes we say are P1, P2 and P3. Again, the planes might be parallel or intersecting. Let's say the planes are parallel. Now, what are the possibilities? The possibilities are that the planes may be coincident or not coincident. So the planes could be parallel or intersecting. If parallel, they may be coincident, or they could be parallel but not coincident. Well, let us see. If the planes are coincident, again there are some possibilities. Possibility one is that all three planes are coincident. Now, if all three planes are coincident, then the three planes will be defined by the same equation, P1. Now, in this case, the three planes are defined by the same equation, by one equation, P1 equal to P2 equal to P3. And we can illustrate this situation in this manner. P1 P2 and P3. The three planes are coincident. Now, alternatively, what may happen is that only two planes are coincident. Only two planes are coincident. Now, if two planes are coincident, what are the possibilities? Now, this is situation 1. This we say is situation 1. Now, if only two planes are coincident, what can happen? The third plane could be parallel. Could be parallel. Or the third plane could be intersecting. Let's try to understand this. Let's say P1 and P2 are parallel. So P1 P2 parallel and the third plane P3 intersects, is sorry, the third plane is, I'm sorry, P1 and P2 are coincident and the third plane is parallel. So third plane is like this. So this is the third plane P3. This is the P1 and P2. So P1 and P2 are defined by the same equation and P3 is parallel. Now another situation which can arise, this is situation 2. Now a third situation that can arise is when two planes are coincident. Fine. So P1, P2, coincident, but the third plane intersects. The third plane intersects. So this is a no, I have not drawn this very well, but schematically it is correct. So you have P1 equal to P1 and P2, which are again defined with the same equation. And P3 intersects P1, P2. Correct? This is the third situation. Now we see this part. What if the planes are parallel but they are not coincident? We'll pull a branch from here and take it down. So that now that brings us here. We have we have the condition that the planes are parallel but they are not coincident. So what can happen is that all the three planes are parallel. Beg your pardon, this I have to erase. All three are parallel. If all three are parallel, it will be like this: P1, and we can use the same color now. P2, P1, P2 and P3. You see that all the three planes are parallel. This is the fourth situation. Now the fifth situation. Only two are parallel. Only two are parallel. So P1, P2 is a parallel And the third plane, P3, it intersects. Yeah? The third plane intersects P1 and P2. This is the fifth situation. So these are the 5 scenarios. Now we go back to the final branch of the tree. Our final branch is this. The 3 planes are intersecting. There are no parallel planes. That's the final branch. And what I will do is I will draw a branch from here. Yeah, which will okay, so far we have seen 5 scenarios. Now we come to the situation that the 3 planes are not parallel, they are intersecting. Now, what can be the possibilities here? The 3 planes they intersect in a line. Now what this means is the 3 planes, we have plane P1, we have plane P2. Plane P2 and we have plane P3. P3. Now P1, P2, P3 they intersect in this line. Yeah? We call this line AB. So P1, P2 intersect in this line. Now this will be a 6th situation. The line is AB. Okay. Now the three planes may intersect, but not in a line. 2 planes may intersect in a line, and this line is parallel to the 3rd plane. Let me write this down. 2 planes the 3rd plane In a line which is parallel, to the third plane. Now let's understand what this means. Let's understand what this means. So we have two planes. Plane 1 and plane 2. Oh, okay, excuse me. Plane 2 we will use red color, right? Plane 2. Let me improve this little bit. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the. I'll have to improve this further. I have to improve this diagram further. So yeah, this is plane 2. Now plane 1 and plane 2, they intersect to form a line. This line is AB. Now this line does not lie on the third plane. It is parallel to the third plane. Let us see this. This line is parallel to P3. So this is the situation. Your line of intersection AB line of intersection of AB and of P1 and P2 AB is parallel to plane 3. Okay, this will be our situation number 7. AB is parallel to P3. Now we see the last situation. The three planes they intersect at a point. Now let me draw this, let me draw a branch from here. The three planes intersect at a yeah. Let's see. Let's draw three planes. We draw plane P1. P1 is this. Let's draw plane P2. Sorry, I think I should use a different color. P2. P1, P2. They intersected this line. AB. Now the third plane is here. I think we'll draw again. So P1 is this. P1 is this. And let's see the situation. We have plane P1 here. P1. We have plane P2. This is the line of intersection of P1 and P2. AB. And your plane 3 is like this. The line of intersection of plane P3 with P1 and P2 is CD. Now AB and CD intersect at point, let's say M. So all the three planes intersect at point M. So M is the point of intersection of the three planes. So this is our eighth scenario. Eighth scenario, P1, P2, P3 intersect at a point. And that point here is M. So in conclusion, we can say that when three planes intersect, there are 8 scenarios. There are there are 8 possibilities for intersection of 3 planes. Okay, we end this tutorial here, this session. In the next session, in the next video, we will solve problems related to intersection of planes. Thank you.